I'm at a shopping mall now and I'm going for my first Harry hunt. Hey little kitty kitty. Oh, you're hiding here. I'm gonna gotcha. There's another one there. Gonna catch you later. Hey bestie, so I just get back from the Harry hunting games. Now let us reveal what we have hunted from the shopping mall I went just now. It's quite interesting because this is my first time playing this game. I don't really know what I've gotten. So let us check it out. But today we're only going to reveal 3 mystery happens that we have hunted, because obviously we only have 3 chances per day, and I think for the 3 others mystery accessories that I've gotten, I need to wait for another 7 days. But anyway, let us aid the hairpin reveal today. Let us just randomly pick 3 of them and see what it's going to look like on these shoes. Okay, let me just randomly click on this and see what are we going to get. Okay, I'm not sure if it's going to look nice on the shoes, but anyway, let us make it happen. Now let's see, what are we going to do with these? I'm not sure what is this. It's kind of like Labubu. I don't know. No offense, sorry. But it's quite cute. It's giving quite of like a Y2K vibes, and the color matching is actually quite cute. Let's try it. Let's try it on these shoes. I'm not sure how it's going to look like, but let's try. I think we're going to put it over here as usual. Okay, now let's go back to the game. And let's pick another one to add on to our shoes. Let's go to this one. Let us make the magics happen. This is actually a hairband. I assume we can only tie it at the center of the shoes, or else I'm not sure where should we put it. Anyway, let's try. I hope it fits. It can fix on it. Okay, now it becomes a fairy ball. Ribbon. Oh, okay. Let's adjust the position for a bit. Okay, now my shoes becomes more furry. And now let's get back to the game and see what we are going to get for the last Harry. Are we going to have any surprise for today's shoes decor? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it seems cute in the game. I'm not sure really it looks good in real life. Let us make it happen again. Ta-da! What are we going to do with Xing-Chan's pet? We call him Xiaobai in Chinese and Mandarin. I'm not sure how you guys call him in English. Now let us try where should we put it on our shoes. Maybe in front of here or side. We can adjust it later if it's look very. In fact, I think the left shoes looks okay. But the right shoes, is it getting better? Alright, I have used up all the chances I have today. There are the 3 Harry that we have hunted. Am I going to try the other Harrys on another shoes next week? So that's a wrap on today's shoes decor. If you really wanted to know what we have gotten for another 3 Harry, you better smash that subscribe button and keep the notification on, cause I'll be updating you guys next week. Appreciate you for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Bye.